आवाजांसान सगळ्यांक नमस्कार. आयचो फ्रेश इश्यू, फ्रेश कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी और अटेम्प्टेड कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी. आयच्या न्यूजपेपर फ्रंट पेज बरयल्लें आसा, इंटेंडिंग टू मॅरी फर्स्ट गेट काउन्सिल्ड एट स्टेट फॅसिलिटी. आता this is coming back to back attempted controversy by transport minister Shri Movin Gudino. हांव चिंत्तालो हें कित्याक जाता. गोवा is facing bigger problems. COVID deaths numbers are not coming down. We are losing a lot of our people. And here minister are now trying to attempt some controversies. GST has backfired very badly on Goa and Goans because of the mishandling by this minister. Now this fresh attempted controversy by Nilesh Kabra. I was saying, why is the state getting into this counseling of couples intending to marry between the first registration of the marriage and the second registration? And who will be counseling? GPAD, a government agency, Goa Institute of Public Administration and Rural Development. What is the experience in this? God forbid. I don't want to say anything. Now, why Nilesh Kabral, Power Minister, Environment Minister, getting into this controversy? I put my military thinking cap. I thought, दाल में कुछ काला है. आणि रोकडे म्हाका एक controversy थी expose जाली. Now, Goa and the administration has got a very bad name all over the world because of the mishandling of COVID leading to thousands of deaths. They want to change the focus. So, bringing controversy after controversy. Nilesh Kabral making this statement, there is something to it. Nilesh Kabralaचे past पयशी जाल्यार, he is associated with the Congress or was associated with the Congress. PA to an ex-MLA, Shri Shyam Satardekar. ताका उडयलो ताणें, jumped into BJP, आणि आमकां खबर आसा कितें करता पळय तो. Movin Gudino, trying to rake up a controversy, also has his past related to the Congress. Was caught in a power scam by late Shri Parrikar. And then everybody believes so, that Shri Parrikar blackmailed Movin Gudino, brought him into BJP. Now, आता पयशे जाल्या ह्यो दोनूय controversy unwarranted at this time. If we go a few months back, we all were fighting, रस्त्यार आयिल्ले आमी, we were fighting against the three destructive projects, three linear projects, double tracking, transmission line, 400 kV transmission line, and the third was expansion of national highways. All three was leading to massive destruction of environment, trees, thousands of trees being cut. The environment minister, instead of saving the environment, had turned out to be a butcher of the environment. He was pushing for the project, justifying. On the other hand, Movin Gudino was another minister who was justifying the projects by saying it will benefit the passengers. Both MLAs, ex-congressmen, both from South Goa, are they being pushed by the BJP to divert the attention of what is happening in Goa related to COVID situation? Now, I want to tell the government, don't try this stunt. Because एक म्हणणी आसा इंग्लिशीन, charity begins at home. तुमकां तर हें काउन्सिलिंग करपाक जाय for couples who are going to get married. Begin with your cabinet ministers and your MLAs. I don't want to dwell more on that. तुमचे खंयचे cabinet ministers and कितले MLA are involved in whatever affairs. So don't play with fire. Take it as an advice or a warning. देव बरें करूं. जय गोवा, जय हिंद.